Here is a beginner-level marketing manager quiz that covers target audience identification, digital marketing and online presence, and lead generation and customer acquisition. Let's go. Question 1. The process of defining a specific group of people most likely to purchase your product or service. A. Market planning. B. Brand positioning. C. Target audience identification. And D. Budget allocation. Answer: target audience identification. Question 2. A detailed fictional profile of an ideal customer is known as A. Buyer persona, B. Market segment, C. Brand archetype, and D. Consumer type. Answer: buyer persona. Question 3. Which of the following is not typically used to segment a target audience? A. Demographics, B. Behavior, C. Geography, and D. Supplier terms. Answer: supplier terms. Question 4. Segmenting customers based on purchase frequency or brand loyalty is called A. Psychographic segmentation, B. Behavioral segmentation, C. Geographic segmentation, and D. Economic segmentation. Answer: behavioral segmentation. Question 5. Which tool helps marketers understand online audience behavior? A. Google Analytics, B. Google Sheets, C. Canva, and D. Trello. Answer: Google Analytics. Question 6. What is the primary goal of digital marketing? A. Print advertising, B. Radio ads only, C. Reaching customers through online channels, and D. Cold calling. Answer: reaching customers through online channels. Question 7. Which digital platform is most used for visual content marketing? A. LinkedIn, B. Instagram, C. Twitter, and D. Zoom. Answer: Instagram. Question 8. Search engine optimization, SEO, is mainly used to A. Track employee performance, B. Design offline brochures, C. Improve website visibility in search results, and D. Manage supplier contracts. Answer: improve website visibility in search results. Question 9. What is the term for paying to appear at the top of search engine results? A. Display advertising, B. Pay-per-click, PPC, C. Content marketing, and D. Native advertising. Answer: pay-per-click, PPC. Question 10. Which metric measures how many users clicked on a digital ad after seeing it? A. Bounce rate, B. Conversion rate, C. Engagement score, and D. Click-through rate, CTR. Answer: click-through rate, CTR. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Posting regular, valuable content on social media without using paid ads is called A. Paid media, B. Organic marketing, C. Influencer advertising, and D. Email blasting. Answer: organic marketing. Question 12. A call to action (CTA) in digital marketing is meant to A. Encourage the user to take a specific action, B. End an email professionally, C. Analyze business costs, and D. Provide background music. Answer: encourage the user to take a specific action. Question 13. The process of attracting potential customers to your business is known as A. Customer onboarding, B. Social listening, C. Vendor sourcing, and D. Lead generation. Answer: lead generation. Question 14. Which of the following is a common lead magnet? A. Press release, B. Free downloadable ebook, C. Company balance sheet, and D. Customer complaint form. Answer: free downloadable ebook. Question 15. Which of these tools is typically used to manage leads? A. CRM, Customer Relationship Management, B. Accounting software, C. Inventory Management System, and D. Payment Gateway. Answer: CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Question 16. A landing page is designed to A. Host a team's internal documents, B. Display office locations, C. Convert visitors into leads or customers, and D. Store vendor profiles. Answer: convert visitors into leads or customers. Question 17. The marketing funnel helps track A. Employee feedback, B. Website loading time, C. Tax deductions, and D. Customer journey from awareness to conversion. Answer: customer journey from awareness to conversion. Question 18. What does customer acquisition cost, CAC, represent? A. The profit margin on new products, B. The average cost to acquire a new customer, C. The bonus offered to loyal customers, and D. The value of repeat buyers. Answer: the average cost to acquire a new customer. Question 19. Which stage comes immediately before conversion in a typical sales funnel? A. Loyalty, B. Awareness, C. Consideration, and D. Advocacy. Answer: consideration. Question 20. Which of the following strategies is best for increasing lead conversion rates? A. Using strong CTAs and simplified landing pages, B. Offering unclear product descriptions, C. Ignoring user feedback, and D. Creating vague advertisements. Answer: using strong CTAs and simplified landing pages. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.